In this video, I will show you how to get the same date in the next or previous year in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some dates in this column. Now I want to get the same date next year and the previous year. For example, for the first date, 1st January 2024, I want to get 1st January 2023 is the previous year's date and 1st January 2025 is the same date next year. Similarly, for the second row, the same date of the previous year will be 31st December 2023 and the same date next year will be 31st December 2025. To get the same date of the next or previous year, we can use the Excel eDate function. The eDate function returns a new date, which is the number of months before or after the specified date. This function accepts two arguments, a date and the number of months. If the number of months argument is positive, it returns a future date, and if it is negative, it returns a past date. To get the same date next year, I am going to add 12 months to the date since there are 12 months in a year. Let's type an equal sign in the target cell to start the formula. Now type eDate followed by an opening bracket. Select the cell containing the date as the first argument. Type a comma and then type 12 as the second argument because we want to add 1 year to the date. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we now have the same date next year for all these dates. To get the same date of the previous year, I am going to use the same formula with one change. Instead of specifying 12 as the second argument, I am going to specify -12 since we want to subtract 1 year from the date like this. Let's copy the formula to other cells. As you can see, we now have the same date as the previous year for all these dates. I have specified the date 29th February 2024 in row number 3. The month of February usually has 28 days. In case of a leap year, it has 29 days. Since the year 2024 is a leap year, the month of February has 29 days. However, the years 2023 and 2025 are not leap years and thus do not have 29 days in the month of February. The eDate function is smart enough to know that. So the eDate function returned 28th February 2023 as the previous year's date and 28th February 2025 as the next year's date. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.